This is the first circuit. It's a series circuit, so all the lights are connected in one path. And everything is hidden up here. And then what's not, we just ran wires behind and we insulated the back. And then this is a parallel circuit, so it's multiple pathways, so it's brighter. And then that's the same. We included a lamp too, it's part of the parallel. And we included this, like the shelves in the bookcase, to cover up some of the wires. And those are sand dollar stools. And their furniture. And then on the outside, that was the bathroom. That's our sink, it's with a shell. And then our mirror, vanity. And then on the outside, we have, well, this is our front door. And then we have our doorbell. And when you flip this, the doorbell and the lights go on. And then, yeah. And then this is just our backyard, sand, and then my partner and I.